Riu ndeto yake herera ikoro igitukinyira kwa ndagika ino ni ati Florence Wanjiku uria arari muikari wa Naikuru ni aragikorirwo agitemagwo na banga ni muthuri wake. Muthuri uyu wake kurerikana ati ni pastor kana ni muhujia wa kanitha wa JCM uria nowe nginya no chairman thiini wa kanitha ucio wa JCM. Atongoria mwanya mwanya ni makorwo magikiyumiria magikorwo magikumithia ndeto ino kana gutemaga no guku kwa mundu ugwitwo Florence Wanjiku na ta haria mundu ugwitwo Susan Kihika akorirwo akiyumiria na akorwo akiandikwo. Ithuĩ ta thirikari ya Naikuru nitukurugama na Florence Wanjiku na tutigirire uria uramutharikire ni atacokirio ikinya ihio ria kiwatho. Susan Kihika ni akorwo akiandika page ni yake ya Facebook akorwo akiugo, I'm deeply shocked and outraged by the heinous and despicable attack on Shiko last night. This is a cowardly and beastly act that has no place in our society. Such barbaric and inhuman behavior cannot and will not be tolerated. As the county government of Nakuru, we stand with Shiko and her family during this difficult time, and through the Department of Social Services, we are working closely with the police to ensure the perpetrator of this vile act is swiftly brought to justice. Na mundu ugwitwo governor wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru nake ni akorirwo akiyumiria na agikorwo agikumithia ndeto ino muno makiria kuria akorirwo akiuga Anne Waiguru ni akorirwo akinyitanira a Kenya angi gukumithia giko kia gutharikirwo gwa Florence Wanjiku ni mundurume marari na ndugu ya kendo na uria uramenyeka wega muno makiria. Nigukorwo ngithoma ndumiri ya Anne Waiguru akandiko, I wish to condemn the tragic incident in Nakuru where a man attacked his wife over a domestic dispute. Whatever the disagreement, we should never resort to violence. Gender-based violence has no place in our society. I call on investigative authorities to apprehend the perpetrators and ensure justice is served. I also pray for Shiko healing and quick recovery. Hena mudo ugwitwo Njeraga James kana Njeraga James wa JCM uria ugorirwo akiandika na gukorwo akiugo ati no muciaranirwo na mundu atuike muragani na ndugukuithio mehia macio tondu mwaciaranirwo nake kana ciari matuirwo cira ni mehia macio. Gutiri handu kanitha wa JCM urokira ona ni ndehia nguithio mutharaba wakwa kanitha itiganwo nayo. Quick recovery Shiko tugukuhoera hone na ihenya uhote kurora ciana ciaku. Ucio ni Njeraga James wa kuma kuria kanitha wa JCM kuria makorirwo makieherania na ndeto ino ya mundu ugwitwo Shiko ukorwo akiuragwo ni muhujia wa JCM na no chairman na agikorwo agikomithia ndeto ino na kuga ati mundu agiuragana abati gukorwo agikuithio murigo ucio eta mundu kiumbe no ti gukuithio murigo ucio meta kanitha, kuona mundu abati gukorwo no wehia no ti kanitha yakorwo ikihia. Akenya mwena wa comment section makorwo makiandiko hena wagoi mushungi akauga advising a woman in love and a man with money is tough. And Ezra Mulawi akauga, I'll not be quick to judge or pour my emotions for what I see. Let me listen to the other side of the story first. And Anna Hassan Kamau, what caused the fight? Let's start from there. Na Bernard Bena akauga ona hingo ya Jeff noguo maugire reke tweterere. Na Waijiro Charles akauga, oh, they finally found their voices all this time and they did nothing. This would have happened if they took action. And Galgal Shiko akauga, hope justice will prevail. And Moregi Violet MNT defending this butcherman, but what pushed him to this act? What is the other side of the story? Reason I once pushed to end and almost did the worst. And Rosini Mori, justice for women, justice for Shiko is too much. And Sarajona, does the word justice in Kenya exist? And Eunice Nyambura onasira wa Jeff noguo mwahoranire kana mwahorahorire ngamugecoka mugikira. Na Rabde Banji Boniza kwa hakuna kitu itafanyika, hawa ni wadosi tu, mambo yao haieleweki hata tukiongea sana. Na Monica Dibo yakawa mimi siongei tena juu ya mapenzi, waachana nayo, juu ya mapenzi waachana nayo. Na Alice Carol hii akawa justice. Na Wagoike Mane akawa quick recovery to her. Na David Boroka, we want to hear the other side of the story. na Joseph M. Kagiri akauga they will reconcile and she withdraw her complaint na Januzaji Wanjiru akwa yes but wewe 2027 usidhani tutakuvote juu ya hiyo na Maureen Njoroge akoga hata Jeff Mwadhi kila mtu alikuwa na post justice for Jeff. Hiyo story ilifika wapi hii Kenya ama kama uko na pesa hakuna mahali unapelekwa na wa modo I condemn the act, but at the end of the end it's good to know the other side of the story. Na basi ndapita Mwangi akauga lakini ladies shida yenu huwa wapi? Unatishiwa mara moja mbili na bado uko hapo umeste. Moriferan wathoka kiura roga na jacket official kwa rekere umone hinya wa besa gutire kondo kimeko motwara na Telma Wangariti Telma kauga aya agemoragwo gukahorera no mundu wina igweta akomithio na njira nene muno na James Ndegwa ike muho akawa mwiso ekoroka ndiko hotifa pone then amsame cause siku hizi mambo ya love ni ngumu sana. Anyway, justice for women ndeto ikirina kieha muno makiria na Ngai arohe family no ya mundu gwitwo Shiko hinya hindi no maraikorwo makigerera kaundu gaka karito.